And we're joined by Kelowna Fire Department Fire Inspector Rick Uper for Boot Camp Day. What's this day like for you guys, showing off what you do to all these young people?
It's great, and it's great to have the young people here to show them what kind of a job it is to be a firefighter. So that's what our focus is here today. Give that little taste of, hey, do I want to be a firefighter when I leave school? That type of thing. So.
Well, we have kids in the garage there, and we're putting on respirators and feeling what the equipment is like. And we have a group of students behind us, and what they're doing is they're running up the stairs with a fire, and they're getting with the fire hose, and they're getting timed, and then they're able to relay it down to their partner down below. And then over here, we have a group of students, and they're actually putting on harnesses, and they're climbing right up the ladder up high to see what it's like to fight a fire from up above.
Does it kind of boost your enthusiasm to see young people looking at what you do with such interest?
Oh yeah, it's great. It's great to see them. And I've seen that ones that have come through here that are now working in a fire department. So that's even better to see that to happen. And actually there was one young fellow from the west side a few years ago. He came to this and he was adamant he was going to be a firefighter, and now he's a firefighter. So yeah, it's great. Yeah.
So really, some of the young people that we see here today might just actually follow through with this.
Yes, you got it. Yeah, that's what we hope to see. Yes.
It's actually really interesting. I was planning when I was really little to try and be a firefighter myself, so this is kind of a cool experience.
So you've got other sort of thoughts now for a career? You're not thinking seriously about firefighting?
No, I'm still going to try it when I get older.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You could see yourself potentially being a firefighter?
Yeah, I really can.
It could definitely potentially be something I would be interested in doing in the future. Yeah, it'd be really cool to save people.
For anybody who might be watching this and thinking, yeah, firefighter, that sounds like a great career. Any words of caution or enthusiasm? What do you think? Is it a good choice?
I've been on the fire service for 21 years, and I got hired about 14 years ago, full-time in my department, and where I come in, I said I won the lottery. It was fantastic to be able to, I say I don't work anymore. Yeah. I enjoy every day I get up and I come to work. It's not trying to slug to work. It's fantastic. It's a great job, and there is some downers to it, but you know what? There is in every job. And I was a mechanic before this, and that was a job. This is not a job. This is to me, it's my life, and I really enjoy it. So.
Well, Rick, thanks for sharing what you do with all these young people and with us.
All right, thank you.
And thank you for watching Kelowna Now.